This cop will never want to pull this guy over again.
I don't wish to answer questions. I have to carry this if I'm carrying this.
Are you carrying?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, so if you have a weapon in the car, then what?
You got one on your hip. So what?
Where are you coming from?
I don't answer questions, I've already told you. You can't just pull me over because I said F the police. I hope you realize that, stupid f.
Is that your current address? 1622?
Is that a question?
Yes, sir. Is that your current address?
Do I answer questions?
Welcome back to Here's the Deal. Stay with me because you're going to want to find out what the deal is with this traffic stop. The sponsor for this video is Virtual Shield VPN. Stay with me, guys, because I get it. A lot of people get up there and pitch their products and services, but the only ones you'll ever hear me recommend are the ones that I personally use and am impressed with. And I've been using Virtual Shield for years, even before they sponsored me. Now, I don't like being spied on by anybody, not by my internet service provider, and definitely not by my government. But the only way to safeguard yourself against being spied on is to become invisible. But it's more than that. You got to hide your identity, your activity, and your location while you're online. With Virtual Shield, they, whoever they is, or is that whoever they are, won't know who you are, what you're doing, or where you're located. You can even manually change your ping location to anywhere on the planet. Right now, I'm in Australia. Oh, now I'm in Japan. Now I'm pinging from Germany. Go to virtualshield.com/here's the deal and you'll get 73% off. The link is in the description. Now, let's get into the video. Driving down the road one night, Clear Lake Community Watch saw a traffic stop and decided to exercise his First Amendment right to express his disdain for the activities of road pirates. F the police, he yells.
F the police!
Well, Harris County Sheriff's Deputy Vega couldn't have that, so he abandoned his traffic stop and went after Clear Lake because his feelings were hurt. Now you can hear from Clear Lake's dash cam that he does use his signal before turning right at the intersection.
Roll it down?
Why do you pull me over?
I'll tell you that if you roll it down.
Why can't you tell me now?
Because the reason I pulled you over is you were yelling something from your car.
So what?
Huh?
So what? That's why you pull me over? Because I'm
Because
yelling?
I don't know if you need help or anything.
Oh, I don't need help.
So,
Thank you.
Okay, let me see your driver's license real quick.
I don't need help.
Okay, can I see your driver's license?
What for?
Can you use the turn signal when you made a turn?
Of course I did.
Let me see your driver's license.
You can hear the sound on the dash cam too.
Let me see your driver's license. You can just crack the window if that's what you want to do.
It's already cracked.
I can't see that.
Well,
This thing.
it doesn't matter. Here. I don't wish to answer questions.
You have to let me know if there's a weapon in the car. Did you not take the class?
I did.
Did they tell you you have to tell them?
When you demand identification, I have to display this. That's what they told me in the class. That's what the law says.
The officer wants to take the weapon.
And actually, if I don't display, there's really not much you can do because there is no penalty attached to that. I have to carry this if I'm carrying this.
Are you carrying?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, so if you have a weapon in the car, then what?
You got one on your hip. So what?
Do I smell alcohol in your breath?
No, you don't.
How do I know?
Because you can't smell my
I
breath?
can smell something coming
Oh,
out.
really?
Let's see. Let me do some field sobriety.
I don't think so.
Okay. Yeah, where are you coming from?
Huh?
Where are you coming from?
You saw me where I was coming
No, I
from.
just saw you driving down.
Are you done with this?
I'm done with that, yeah.
All right, cool.
Where are you coming from?
I don't answer questions. I've already told you.
You can tell Deputy Vega is getting really desperate here. First, he pulled Clear Lake over because he yelled and hurt Vega's feelings. Then he wanted to make sure Clear Lake didn't need any help. Then he lied and said Clear Lake didn't use his turn signal. Now he says that he smells alcohol and wants to do a field sobriety test on him. It's almost like Deputy Vega is trying to use every trick in the book so that he can further his fishing expedition.
Let me know when I'm free to go. Also, what is your name? What's your name? Your name? Sheriff, that's your name? Sheriff?
Right above it, right there.
I'm not familiar with the English alphabet, sir. Okay, can I have an incident number, please? Oh, a ticket, okay.
So do me a favor, while I have you here, okay? I don't want you exiting the vehicle because you have a weapon in the car.
Did I exit the
the
vehicle?
I'm
Did I
giving you a
exit
heads
the
up.
vehicle?
I'm giving you a heads up.
Did I exit the vehicle? Hey, can I? You do have a dash cam, right? Very good. You can't just pull me over because I said fuck the police. I hope you realize that. Stupid fuck. I'm sorry?
Do you have insurance on the vehicle?
Yeah,
Can you show it to me, please? It doesn't come back.
of course it comes back.
Not on my system, it doesn't. Also, it's not typical behavior for somebody to be yelling out of the vehicle. Have you had anything to drink tonight? Is that your current address? 1622?
Is that a question?
Yes, sir. Is that your current
Do
address?
I answer questions?
Okay, I'll just assume that's incorrect then.
And why would you do that?
I'm asking you a simple question.
Did you read my address on the driver
It
license?
didn't have an address. It didn't
That-
have an apartment number on your driver's
Of course it
license.
does.
Let me see. Can you verify?
You've already seen it. I've already complied with that part.
I don't. But I'm just saying, it didn't have a driver. It didn't have an apartment number
Of course it does.
on your address, on your driver's license.
Man.
Okay, I'll be right back.
How long has it been?
Yeah, I say that. I've never met anybody quite like you that would yell at an officer doing their job. But
By the way, if there's no freedom to cuss out the cops, then there is no freedom of speech in America. But the First Amendment makes it very clear, as well as the Supreme Court case, City of Houston versus Hill.
So,
You have a great
let
day.
me
There's no
understand.
warnings, no fines, no penalties.
May I ask you a question?
There's questions on there. There's the address.
Yeah,
There's
no, I
the-
have a
there's
question.
an incident
Can you
number
get your
on the thing right
supervisor
there.
here, please?
No,
Is the stop over?
the stop is over. You may leave.
All right.
Please don't exit until I get out. Until I leave.
Well, you said the stop is over, right?
Don't get out until I have to.
Okay, I'm not getting out. I will.
Open the door. Let me get back to my car.
Okay, there is no need to draw your weapon, man. Are you fucking drawing your weapon, you fucker?
Get out of the car.
I didn't get out of the car. You told me that already.
Get to the right door.
Yeah. Did I get out of the car? Go fuck yourself. Yeah, right over there you can. A warning? A warning? For what?
Deputy Vega ends up pulling his weapon on this guy, knowing the man is no threat. That's the fearful state of law enforcement today. I'll leave the link to Clear Lake Community Watch in the description. If you go visit him, let him know Here's the Deal sent you. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, the links are in the description, and you can grab a hard-hitting conversation starting design from the store. You can put it on a shirt, hoodie, mug, cell phone case, whatever you want. And don't forget to become a channel member. Remember, the price of freedom is now and will always be eternal vigilance. And indifference to this notion is the means by which the people have and will secure their own oppression. Let's stop securing our own oppression. I'll see you guys in the next video.